talking to Caroline Lindner, trainee recruitment manager at Norton Rose Fulbright. Hi Caroline, thanks for talking to us today. You were on the panel discussion this afternoon at CityLawLIVE about the key advice for getting a training contract successfully at a top commercial firm in London or elsewhere. So what would your key advice be for viewers who are specifically looking to train at a really high-end commercial firm such as yours?
I think the most important thing is to do your research, to meet as many people as you can do at events like this, at your universities, at the events that many law firms, us included, put on in our offices these days, because you've really got to understand the role you're going to be doing, but also the environment you're going to be working in, and also the realities of the job, because it's a demanding, intellectually challenging, exciting career, but it isn't for everybody, so that would be my top tip: research.
Focusing more specifically on Norton Rose Fulbright, what are the key things that you were looking for in your applicants?
Well, we're looking for people who are, high achievers. Ideally, they will have done well academically, but they've also been involved in lots of different things in their personal life at university, and also critically taken a step back and thought, how is that going to be of value to us as a business? How will I be able to utilise that experience, albeit in a different way, in an office environment, advising commercial clients? So that's really important to us. We really value personalities at Norton Rose Fulbright. We want people to be themselves, because we think that if you are yourself in the workplace, you're going to be more productive, you're going to be happier, you're going to want to stay with us, and that's incredibly important. So that's something we really focus on across all of our recruitment efforts. The other thing, because we are one of the largest global firms in the world now, it's really important for us that people who join us want to work internationally and are up for the challenge of what that actually means. So flexibility, being willing to jump on a plane if we need you to, perhaps relocating short or long term outside of London. And again, I think that means that we probably attract a slightly different group of people to us as a business every year. And as a recruiter, that's incredibly exciting and challenging, because you are recruiting a very diverse group of individuals, and that's what the business ultimately needs. That's so important to us.
Norton Rose Fulbright and its solicitors are obviously, as you mentioned, very well known for their international work all over the world. At what stage do you get trainees involved in that? Do trainees go overseas during the course of their training contracts and so on? They
certainly do. We pretty much expect all of our trainees to go on a secondment at some point during the 2-year training contract. Now, for some, that will mean going to a client of ours, an in-house legal team, but for the vast majority, it'll actually mean going abroad. And of course, that's a big draw for students applying to us. I always make the point, though, that you've got to look beyond the training contract, because many of our associates travel or relocate and certainly go on lots of secondments. The work you'll be doing, regardless of where you're physically located in our network, will all be international because of our clients being so international. That's why we're in the different locations we're in. But as a trainee, yes, you should expect to certainly have a very good opportunity to go abroad. And we send people to the Middle East, to Asia, to mainland Europe, first secondment to Johannesburg this time round, Australia. So, it's truly a global footprint that we have, and our secondments reflect that.
Would you expect prospective trainees, when they're applying, to have any kind of international experiences of any kind? Obviously not necessarily legal, but is that an aspect of a candidate that you look for?
You certainly need to be internationally minded. There are some people who are very fortunate. They may have studied as part of their degree abroad. We get a lot of people who have done law and a language or languages, or had the opportunity to spend time abroad as part of their degree applying to us, and I think that's quite usual for an international firm. But we have other people who are just very focused on international business, interested in the world at large, and that's, you've got to be interested in that regardless of whether you've had the opportunities to travel or not. Some people, I think, are more fortunate at earlier stages of their lives than others, so you don't have to have travelled, but certainly you need to realise if you are going to join us, we would expect that you would want to do that, and that's going to make you have a very exciting and dynamic career, actually.
I think that's given us a pretty good insight into what you as a firm are looking for, so thanks very much for talking to us, Caroline.
Pleasure. Thank you very much.